There's ice on there? On the window, you mean?
Yeah, I can't get those.
Yeah. Do you want to look? Look, it's very cold. Look, look, we can't even open the door all the way because of the snow. Look. You want to touch it?
No.
No. No. Yeah. I'm taking pictures of the snow. Yeah, it's not done snowing yet. It's going to keep snowing still for many more hours, apparently.
Yeah, it's snowing in the duck.
It's what?
It's snowing in the duck. And then oh, this is where ice on there.
Yeah, there's ice on there.
I can't get it. Oh.
No. It's going to be very hard to play in the snow later, won't it?
No, it'll be not.
It will, because it's very hard to walk in snow that's very deep.
I can't sleep on the snow.
You can't sleep on the snow?
No, I can't.
Slip?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's very hard to walk in the snow because you can't lift your legs high enough. Brother will probably have to carry you. Oh, my. Oh, you need to go back to bed.
No.
No.
What's there?
You want to look again?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Joe, you want to look? All right, for a minute. Look how deep it is. Oh, my goodness. Can you touch it?
Oh, it's down over there.
Yeah, it's right there. Daniel fingerprint in the snow. If we didn't have that little porch, the snow would be up to here. We wouldn't be able to open the door. We wouldn't be able to open it because the snow would be pushed against it.
Water.
Water? Yeah. Snow is frozen water.
Yeah, it's frozen water.
Yeah. You want to go look at your car in the back?
It just go clap.
Yeah. Let's go look at your car.
Clap.
Let's go look at your car on the porch, on the deck. Let's go look at it. Whoops, watch out for kitties. Where's your car?
Right there.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god, you just cleaned off that car last night, didn't you? You did all that work cleaning off your car. Now there it is. And look, the snowman
buried.
is buried. See how hard it will be to walk in the snow?
Yeah, they're very, very big.
It's very big snow, yep.
I'm going to look at the ice on it.
You want to look at the ice again? All right, I open the door. You look at it again. We can't leave the door open, though, because it'll get too cold. And it's going to snow more and get to be even bigger snow. Yeah, you like the ice on the windows there? Yeah.
I rubbed it off.
Yeah. The ice is actually on the other side. But it's melting a little bit because inside the house is warm, so it's melting that ice. You're silly. Where's Daddy's car? Where's Mommy's car, Daniel?
That car, I don't know. It's buried.
I know.
We haven't cleaned that car.
We'll have to clean that car. I know.
Yeah, you clean that car.
Yeah, where's Daddy's car? Where's Daddy's car, Daniel? Did you see it?
Right there.
Oh, you did see Daddy's car? And Mommy's car is almost hidden by all the snow, huh? Oh, my goodness.